Hola amigos. I woke up at 5:30 in the morning today to finish up some schoolwork and other things, and besides that, I ended up having some really interesting ideas. I don't know if you can see all the different papers and sticky notes. A lot of cool ideas for future videos for this channel. And I felt really nice that they came to me. And I feel like a lot of it has to do with the fact that I woke up that early and had this time to kind of brainstorm and do some planning. And the expression in Russian that comes to mind when something like this happens is "Кто рано встаёт, тому подаёт." And what it means is the one who wakes up early, God will give them. That's kind of how you translate it, тому. And you don't have to be religious to use it. It's just kind of this positive reinforcement idea of if you wake up early, then, you'll get things done. So basically, Jocko Willing.
Why would you not wake up at 4:30?
Yeah, every Russian speaker is basically Jocko Willing. Just kidding. All right, I hope this is useful. I will talk to you later. Bye.